Hello and welcome everyone to this premium project called Cars. This project aims to help the buyers and the sellers for selling and buying of cars. As you all know that in today's here world, people face various problems when buying and selling the cars, such as there are many middle processes, many middlemen involved, which just make the price higher or lower. There is no transparency. There are also many fraud cases involved in buying and selling of cars and other products also. So this our project helps to solve this problem. So on our platform, first let me take you through the code. So currently in the code for testing, I'm using hardhat.js. So this I'm running the project. Then I have some Hardhat accounts which I will be using for this for the demo purpose. First one is buyer's address, seller's address, inspector address, then lender's address. So I have just as a seller I have minted some of the NFTs earlier, so that are being shown on the platform here. So now let us have a quick demo of the platform and what it has got to offer. So first on the platform, uh, we have we will have to sign in with our MetaMask. So first, initially, since I have minted as a seller, so currently my seller account is showing up in the pop. So when I click on these NFTs, I have the option to approve and sell. And wait a minute, did I miss telling you that all these are premium NFTs deployed on the Polygon chain? So these NFTs, these car NFTs, which will be used to verify the transaction between the seller and the buyer. For example, this is a Ferrari SF90 Stradale, which costs about 75 ethers, and we also have informations like purchase price, mileage, engine, and seats it has got to offer with a short overview. So the seller has got the option for approve and sell. Let us see what the buyer has got options to. So we will have to switch the accounts for it. I have an account with the name buyer, so I will have to connect. The buyer account just got connected. So buyer will get an option to buy or contact the agent. So buyer can buy, and let us see. First, let us through the seller, let us perform the selling operation like approve. As I told you, so MetaMask will pop up and it will say the transaction just got proceeded. So the seller has done it his way. He has minted the NFTs on the platform. He is ready to sell. See, we get an approved sale because yet the inspector has not inspected the car NFT. So there will be an inspector who will be inspecting this. So if the inspector tries to approve inspecting, we will have to confirm the transaction and his inspection would be done. See, he just confirmed the inspection of this Mercedes Benz. So now let us switch our account to the lender. So the lender, if lender tries to lend, then he will have to approve and lend. Will get an option for approve and lend, and then he can just confirm the transaction. And there would be a 15 ether transaction for the lender. So the lender has done his work, has lended. Now there would be a buyer. So the buyer will have to buy if he wishes to buy. Mercedes Benz, who doesn't want to buy, and then yeah, the buyer has made his agreement to buy. Then we will get to the seller. So after inspection and lending, the seller can just approve and sell his car NFT. So yeah, you could just confirm for approve and sell. And in this way, the car NFTs with their metadata will be sold by the seller to the buyer. First, the seller would provide his cars cars with the NFTs. He will mint it on the platform. He will issue the fund to the platform. The platform uses an escrow contact as a neutral agent between the buying and the selling um, parties. So the seller would just pass on his product to this platform. The buyer would stake all his amount on this platform, and if the transaction gets completed, then the NFT would be uh, sold to the buyer's wallet address, and the seller would get the transaction money. The platform uses the platform uses Polygon to deploy the smart contracts and Axellar for cross-chain communication. For example, being a platform based on selling and buying of cars, there is a huge probability that both the seller and buyer are not using the same uh, EVM chains, or they are using different blockchains. So for that we are using XLR. Uh, it provides cross-chain uh, lending of the uh, NFTs over chain. So let me just cleanse this sensor token. Car.sol contains uh, the NFT of the car. Escrow acts as a neutral agent. We have the smart contracts written. There's a metadata. The code is clean and is ready. So that was a quick intro of the code base with a quick demo of the platform. Thank you.